Hi, so I have some questions about this game. It's like one of my favorite games. No, I'm not hating on this game, but like the amount of effort I put into this game and then forget about it the next day is just weird. But that doesn't have anything to do with the game. But what I want to know is why the heck when trains are moving and then the trains are gone, there's literally just a wall. How did they come out of a wall? Look, they're just coming out of walls. Okay, look, okay, him. Oh my gosh, I can't even find him. Look, he literally come out of a wall. Oh my gosh. But I don't get it. I don't get it. But I'm just gonna keep talking so you can watch me play this game. Because I would like you to see how I die. Like, I got those, right? You saw it. I got those. I got those shoes. Why didn't And then I thought I could go up there and duck, side, duck, pumpkin thing, side, 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 right, down, left, right, up, side, side, and left, right, right, up, down. Oh, okay. Oh, no, go left. Why did I say left? Okay, I don't know why I decided to use this clip. It's a very long clip.